Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to use the training grounds in Elden Ring Nightreign. So if this is something that you want to be able to do, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So you need to first come to this room right here as you can see, and then I'm just going to run out right here as you can see, because when you see this like thing right here where you can run out of, that is perfect, but you have to go to the right here instead. So here is actually the training ground. So to be able to use it, we can just run to this one right here. Then we're going to click on F to be able to animate, or if you're using a controller, you're going to see exactly where you need to click, of course. And then you can just train against him right here. As you can see, he is quite strong, by the way. So it's not easy. And by the way, if you run out, he should disappear, as you can see. So if you want to be able to train against him again, you can just run up to him and then yeah, click on F basically. But basically this is exactly how to do this.